is Mark Spiezio. I'm the Vice President of Operations for Atllantic Mechanical. We're a mid-sized mechanical contractor in central New Jersey. Been in business for 35 years, and we do all of our own work in-house, a true mechanical contractor. We're currently on site in central New Jersey at a facility that is going to be the international headquarters for a large international pharmaceutical. It is a LEED Silver project and was a complete tear down and rebuild. It's almost 1 million square foot property, and the building is a 1/4 mile long. We've always sealed ducts in our shop, one form or another, and over the years we've experimented with a number of products. We used to use a caulk-on. We would make the duct and then caulk the longitudinal seam and then use a brush to smooth it out. It is a painstaking process, and to make matters worse, if you deliver it before it dries, it'll crack on the truck on the way to the job site, making your test much more likely to fail. A lot of our competitors don't experiment and push the technology of duct sealant like we do. We brought the products into our shop, we used the recommended delivery systems, and we found head and shoulders that the Hardcast product was better. We are committed to making our systems as close to zero leakage, not just trying to meet the SMACNA criteria, but to actually bring it to zero leakage. One of the things that was driving the cost of our projects associated with duct sealant was that we were eliminating slip and drive joints because they leak so much more than a TDF or a duct mate joint. By using this product, we can go back and we can put slip and drive back into our criteria, which is within the SMACNA criteria. And we're able to seal it and achieve virtually zero CFM loss during our duct tests.
Using a spray sealing system it really is life-changing. It used to be where you needed a crew of men to go through and seal the systems after it was put up. Now this is a one-person operation that is done in 2 different ways, either from the ground and spraying it up into the air, hitting each joint, or based on the size of the ductwork, you can use a scissor lift to get up to each of the joints and spray it on that way. With the brushes and the caulk guns, it's not as accurate as using the spray system. The spray system is faster, it's cleaner, and you're using less product. The guys that have been doing the spraying have gotten so accurate with it that they can actually just do it right from the floor the bottom of the duct is about 10'2" off of the finished floor. We used to put a test on the ductwork 2, 3, 4 times before it would pass a lot of times. This job in particular, every single test that I've done the first time has passed. Again, like I said, some with 0% leakage. The labor alone in trying to run around and find out exactly where the duct is leaking in between tests is a savings in itself.
From the drafting side, we'll get engineered drawings. They'll be most of the time single line drawings with duct sizes, and then we'll come out and field verify existing conditions. And then from there, we'll put together what's called a shop drawing. And the shop drawing will be the actual ductwork fittings and pieces that are put together and fabricated. And then we'll fabricate it in our shop. They'll be numbered in the shop and brought out here. And the numbering system allows us to coordinate everything and put the right pieces in the right spots.
Carlisle was unbelievably supportive. They flew in, they worked with us, not just to sell us the product that they wanted to sell us, but they wanted to actually understand what we needed to do our jobs better. And that was the key to success. When we compared it to any of the other manufacturers, they had their way or the highway. And unfortunately, every contractor is a little different. And the way we do business, we needed somebody who could partner up and understand that and help us. And that's exactly what we had, and that's what we still have. And it works right from the prototype to delivery systems, to suppliers, and follow-up. I mean, actually, this is the first manufacturer that I ever had follow-up to make sure I was still happy a year later, and we are.